how to check Jimmy John's store hours before you go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to find Jimmy John's location, hours before you go, you'll need to head over to the website. So go to your browser, head over to Jimmy John's website, and then go to locations option at the top. Now here, go to pickup, and then you can either use the location tracker or put in your location in the bar, and then just hit search, and you can see all of the store that are near your area. Now just choose the store of your preference and tap on all hours, and you can see the store hours right here. It's as simple as that. You can even tap on pickup hours and then delivery hours. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.